Hindi ka makagalaw kasi takot na takot ako mahusgan. Ano ba, masasaksak ka ba sa husga? Hindi naman eh. Di ba, mapuputulan ka ba ng paalan sa rejection? Hindi naman eh. Di ba, pero paano tayo mag-operate? Kasi wala tayong dila. Are you listening me? Di ba, tinanong, hindi makasagot, pero may sagot naman sa isip. Dahil yung takot natin, akala natin totoo na. Kaya nga fear eh. You know what fear is? Ask me what? False expectations appearing real. Yan ang fear.
Why you are working to earn money, why you're working to have a good body, why you have this kind of passion or heartset, or bakit meron kang purpose to continue. So appreciating oneself is very important for you to be able to redirect yourself and for you to be able to choose the right path na gusto mong tahak. Yun lang.
That's a message to everyone that just appreciate life. Because if you have this day right now, you still have a lot more that is coming. Tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. So just keep on dreaming. It happens, really. Thank you.
Sympathy. Thank you. What else? Connection. Connected. Thank you. Ano pang napansin niyo? Sincere. Thank you. Comfort. Thank you. Ano pa? And gagawin namin, bear hug, heart to heart, ear to ear. And we're gonna breathe together. Now, I want you to notice yourself. How does it feel like watching us together do a full, genuine, connected hug? Okay, maybe ask permission. If you guys are fine, okay, just connect in silence. And look each other in the eye. Because maybe this is the same set of eyes of your father who's also longing for love. Just do it, go ahead. Hug this person. Just stay there in silence. Maybe this person is just like you. Longing for a full, genuine, connected. Just connect. I want you to breathe together. Take a deep breath, inhale. And exhale. Let go. Move on to your next hug, second person. And as you move on to the next person, tingnan mo siya sa mata. Ask permission. Go ahead, please give this person a hug. Just connect. Stay there. Just breathe.
na-realize ko na it's true because nag-share tayo with our buddies at mga problems or anything na sa isang tao na mabigat para sa atin, and it's when we share it, parang somehow naging magaan siya kasi nailabas ko yung mga problems ko on that person, and topping it with a hug, it's really comforting because hug is just not a somehow comfort for me, but I also feel the other person's warmth and sincere. Also, yung pinakita niyo, Coach, na ano yung types of hug, yung nare-receive ko lang is yung manly. Ay! Yung parang ganun. So, ngayon ko palang na-realize na may sincere hug pala, and it felt really good and comforting, and also the warmth. And that's all.
You know, and then they're gonna have this growth mindset nga dili mag-live ito survival. There is life after beyond that. Yeah, daghan na hitabo sa ila, daghan na hitabo sa ako, and then few years later nagbalik na pod mi og kuan together. So I believe nga nami giplano sa Surigao City, but God saw that vision, and in the first place, it wasn't our personal vision. It was God Himself nga nag-ordain, nagtawag sa ako, and also Esther and Kirk. So, I just want to tell you and convey with all my heart, you are so blessed to have an employer and then you have a boss like them. Because they do not just see you as their employees, but they see you as their family. And after this opportunity, I can say that there will be a big impact and a difference na mahitabo sa Surigao City, and all of you will be part of it.